How to recover a forgotten Discover Bank username on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you forgot your Discover username, well here is how to recover it on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that will be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to click on login button which can be seen in the top right corner, and once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, under the login button, you can see the option labeled as forgot user ID/password. So simply click on it, and after that, on the next page, you simply have to choose forgot ID. So there, you can just click on forgot user ID, and on the next page, you have to enter details like your account number, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. And with that, next, you have to confirm your identity with a one-time code sent to your email or phone, and once verified, Discover will display your username on the screen. And you can also choose to have it sent securely to your registered email. And that's it. That's how you can recover a forgotten Discover Bank username on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.